So lately I've been getting a fair number of requests for video tutorials on different topics. So I thought what I would do to kind of appease everybody and help simplify this process for me is I'm making this video and I'm going to use this as the main repository for requests that people make for videos. If you have a specific tutorial that you would like to see, please leave it as a comment down below, and then anybody can vote thumbs up, thumbs down for those topics. Now I already have a long list of about 400 different tutorials that I plan to make. Seems every time I make a video I think of two other topics that are related that I'd like to make tutorials on as well. I will continue to make these tutorials as quickly as I can and post as many as I can. These are the general topic areas here in this video. Anything related to HTML, CSS, SVG, JavaScript, APIs, so Wikipedia API or the YouTube API, any API that you are interested in using from JavaScript. Feel free to comment or make a note about that below. Node.js, Express, specific topics, things that you want to do with Node.js, Cordova, any one of the plugins that you want a tutorial on. If you want some more clarification on something, how to do something in Cordova, PHP, MySQL, MongoDB, so getting into the NoSQL DBs. Even if you're not sure where this topic, the topic for your tutorial request falls, if you think it's somewhat related, feel free to post a note down below. If it's something I can't cover, I will make a comment about the fact that this is not a topic that I can do a tutorial on. Firebase, Webpack, Grunt, Gulp, any kind of web tool set like that. Mocha, Chai for testing, SAS. So any one of these. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will start posting a link to this video where you can post the requests in all of my future tutorials. All right, thanks for listening.